Hi, welcome back. In this video, we are going to explore how to enable and disable elements dynamically based on user input. This kind of interaction is super useful, for example, enabling a continue button only when a valid mobile number is entered. Let's walk through how to set that up. First, I already have a page with a header, and inside that header, there's a decimal bank image. Now, go to the Elements section and search for the input field. Drag and drop the input field onto your page and customize it accordingly, but in input type set it to number. Next, move to the Data section. Here, set the minimum and maximum length to 10, since we are capturing a 10-digit mobile number. Click Apply and then Save. Now, search for the footer element and drag it onto the page and it will automatically snap to the bottom of your screen. Then click Apply. Next, drag and drop this button element inside the footer. The footer will automatically resize to fit the button. Customize the button as per your requirement, and then click Apply. Now we've got a mobile number input field and a continue button. The requirement is the continue button should only be enabled when a valid 10-digit number is entered. So first, we'll disable the button by default. Select the button, go to Properties, and uncheck the Enable checkbox and click Apply and then save the configuration. Now let's add the logic to enable the button once the input field is complete. Select the mobile number input field. Then go to the Events section, under the On Completion event click on plus icon. Click Create New Task Group, and name your task group Enable button. Once created, search and drag and drop for the task called Enable, Disable. Under Enable Elements, navigate the tree and select the Continue button. Click Select, then Save, and finally Apply. The Continue button will be enabled when a valid 10-digit number is entered. But what happens if the user deletes a digit after entering 10? The button should be disabled again. To handle that, return to the input field, go to the Events section again, and add another task group under the On Character Remove event. Click Create New Task Group, and name your task group Disable button. Once created, search and drag and drop the Enable, Disable task again. Under Disable Elements, navigate the tree and select the Continue button. Click Select, then Save, and finally Apply. Once both tasks are added, click Save, then commit your changes. Now, navigate to the Deploy section and click on Deploy to push the latest updates to your application. Now, go to the Download section and launch your web application. Here, you can see the Continue button is disabled. So, I enter a 10-digit mobile number, the Continue button will become enabled. If I remove a digit, the button is disabled again. When I re-enter the digit, and it gets enabled. Thanks for watching and happy learning.